Well, hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate the Anthropologie Gleaming Primrose Mirror. If you've never seen it, it looks like this. I'll try to insert a picture here for you. But it's absolutely beautiful. The most beautiful mirror I've ever seen. The floor length one is giant. Like, it's enormous and it's so gorgeous. It would be so pretty in a bedroom. And if you can get it, it's like $1,500. Just skip this DIY because it's going to be a big pain for you to make this when you could just buy the real thing. That's what I would do. But if you want to make it yourself, I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video. I was thinking I might do some more DIYs. I have several on the blog that people love. If you guys seen them, you know. And there's one in particular that I think is really cool. And I want to film it. I don't know if you guys would want to see that or not. Maybe. Let me give you a hint. Anyway, if you want to see more things like this, let me know by liking this video and commenting. And tell me what you want to see. If there's a DIY that you think would be good that you don't know how to do, let me see. Comment it, and I like the challenge. So, what else was I going to tell you? Oh yeah, step-by-step directions for this. If you're more of like a reader, I'm not. But if that's you, I have written it out on the blog, which I will link down below for you guys, as well as the tutorial for a lot of DIYs are on there. So check that out. I'll leave my Instagram down below, and anything else I think you might care about, like I'll link all the products I use down below as well. I think that's it. So yeah, if you wanna tell me anything in the comments, I'm lonesome. Just been here home all week since we were out of school. So I was pretty excited to film this. You know, I had a little free time on my hands, so yeah, I got a little extra time tomorrow too. So let me know what you want to see in the comments. I'll stop rambling. I'm on my second cup of coffee and I'm pumped.